Hey everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute, and we are on day 6 of our Actions for Happiness challenge. The challenge is to use the tips I'm using you each and every day to bring more happiness into your lives for the year 2021 and the month of January. That is our theme this month, and today's tip is to take 5 minutes to sit still and just breathe. So we're going to take a mini 5-minute break today just for you. Slow everything down and just take some deep inhales, exhales. 5 minutes. Take a breath, slow things down, take that time for yourselves. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.